Hello and welcome. If you are beginners or you haven't done anything in a computer and still you want to learn some computer languages and you don't know where to start, this video series is for you. This is JavaScript for beginners. The first question would be why to learn a JavaScript? Well, there are multiple reasons, but I would like to focus on two main things. Well, number one, it is beginners friendly. JavaScript is beginner friendly and it is simple and easy compared to Java. We have to declare like integer and string and all these things while we declaring a variable. Here is very simple, so that's why it's beginners friendly. Second thing is interesting. Whatever you are doing, you can see on the particular browser. That's the cool thing about the JavaScript, particular if you are the beginners. What we're going to teach you in this series, we can start from hello world. It's a very basic thing, and we can start with variable, data type, and after that we're going to teach you arithmetic operators where you can do some multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc. Next we're going to teach you conditional statements. If it is a two statement, we're going to learn, like we're going to teach if else statement. After that, if it is a multiple statement, if it is more than one, then we're going to teach you else if statement and switch statement, which is an alternative of else if statement and which is a very cleaner way. Next we're going to teach you a loops where you will not going to repeat the same thing. That's what the loop generally does, and it is there are multiple loops. We're going to teach you for loop, while loop, do while loop with practical example. We're going to teach you when, where, and how to use those type of loops. And then we're going to teach you array. So what is an array? Basically, when you are storing anything in a variable, if there are multiple variable, it is very difficult to track those things, so it's better to use the array. Right after that, we're going to teach you how to get the current date, and you will do some cool stuff over there. And right after that, how to make a function in a JavaScript. That's another thing. And this everything you're going to learn. These are the basic of any of the language. So why we are learning these basics? Because this is the concept very common in all other languages. The only difference between the syntax, that's the only here and there, but the concept are the same, and you will having some strong foundation. So we can start that right now, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share. So let's get started. Thank you.